Hi, I'm Sue Spargo and welcome to week 18 of Bits and Pieces. This is the second week of month 5. And today we're working with, I thought, really pretty colors here. We have raspberry, which you can see throughout, and cotton candy, which is the light pink, and then a tangerine dream, and then elephant back. So those are the 4 colors, and all 4 colors are new colors in the bundle if you're following along with the same colors. So this is quite a interesting block, I guess, if you look at it, because you can see depending on where your color placement is, you get a totally different look. So it's sort of fun, and I do actually love this color combination. It's really pretty. So you're going to cut 1 3/4 inch squares, these little ones, 1 3/4, 4 of them, a total of 8 for each block, and 4 in 2 different colors, and then you're going to cut 2 3-inch squares like that. So you'll put these together as a little 4 patch, press your seams nice and flat, trim them, and then you're going to sew these together like that, and then the 2 pieces together to form the block. So pretty easy. You could have really a lot of fun with your color placement on these. We're then going to use number 3, it's Pink Lemonade, number Easy M27, and here I did 1 1/2-inch circles, 2 of them. Here I did a 2 3/4 in the center, and here I used the 2 1/4, and I just used them as 2 half or semicircles here on the side. So this stitching blends a little bit more with the block, which I like. And again, we're repeating with our circle templates. So I'm actually loving these templates. I use them a lot for marking, but this gives you a good idea of how you can use them so easily to do some nice big stitch in the background. So have fun. 3 more blocks, or a block to add to your collection, and I will see you back next week with block number 19, or week number 19. So have fun and keep stitching.